Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into the Alphacool 11445 Eisbaer LT240 CPU water cooling kit. Now, if you're serious about keeping your CPU temperatures low, this could be the ultimate solution for you. Let's break it down. First off, let's talk technical details. This kit boasts a power connector type of both 3-pin and 4-pin, offering flexibility in installation. Operating at 7 volts with a wattage of 4 watts, it's efficient without sacrificing performance. And of course, the cooling method is water, which we all know can provide superior cooling compared to air. Now, let's get into dimensions and compatibility. At 10.63 inches in length, 0.98 inches in width, and 4.72 inches in height, it's compact enough to fit in most setups without any hassle. Plus, it's compatible with a wide range of systems, ensuring you can integrate it seamlessly. In terms of what you get in the box, the scope of delivery includes everything you need to get started, from the radiator to the tubing and fittings. It's a comprehensive package that leaves nothing to be desired. But how does it perform? Well, I can tell you from personal experience that this kit delivers excellent cooling performance. Whether you're overclocking your CPU or running demanding tasks, you can trust the Alphacool Eisbaer LT240 to keep temperatures in check. Overall, if you're in the market for a top-notch water cooling solution for your CPU, look no further than the Alphacool 11445 Eisbaer LT240. With its impressive technical specs, compact dimensions, and outstanding performance, it's truly a game-changer in the world of CPU cooling. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.